The Forest of Duke is a continuing care retirement community consisting of approximately 80 cottages on 50 acres, along with 150 apartments and 90 assisted living beds. We have approximately 400 residents. We are in the middle of construction, adding 72 additional independent living units.
So Modern Systems, we're a low voltage life safety company. What do? All types of low voltage life safety to help protect the things that are most important to our customers, which is their people. The situation at Forest of Duke was the systems here were just old. So we wanted to enhance the security of the campus here, as well as bring it under one system and up to par in today's technology. When we started at the Forest of Duke, there was approximately 30 doors we were looking at taking over from the two previous systems that were in operation. We're over 160 doors now, and of course PDK can scale, and we'll be adding over 100 doors with the new IL building under construction.
PDK is everywhere throughout Forest of Duke. It is a part of our initial entrance into the campus through our 3 gates. It is a part of our access into our main community center, as well as every entry into our health center. We protect every single aspect that touches the resident. Access control afforded us the opportunity when someone misplaced a credential, it can be instantly disabled. When it is lost, it can be suspended until it is found. Going to an electronic system allowed us to be able to confidently know that our areas were safe, regardless of what time of day and where we were. One of the important distinctions about the group level of PDK is that there are very few people that need to be everywhere. For instance, we have our laundry rooms. Virtually every employee here has access to our laundry rooms. Whereas we also have medical areas where we keep our medications for our residents stored. That is restricted to licensed nursing only. The distinction between being able to assign those levels of credentials keeps us in compliance and keeps our residents and team members safe. PDK, working in collaboration with Savance and their kiosk, allowed us to get away from manual thermostat readings and excessive documentation and paperwork. And our system worked with the kiosk to screen residents, visitors, vendors in real time, determine their symptoms, and either approve or deny access to keep our residents and team members safe from exposure. My experience with PDK has been beyond satisfactory. I would recommend PDK to anyone who is looking to improve their access control and get out of the habit of needing to return physically to their location to address problems.